In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monday.com. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance or have questions about their services, reaching out to Monday.com's support team is an easy and straightforward process. Let's dive into how you can do this efficiently from your workspace. First, you'll need to open your Monday.com account. Log in using your credentials and get to your main dashboard. This is where all your projects and tasks will be visible, so make sure everything is loaded before proceeding. Navigating to the right area starts here, ensuring you're on your dashboard provides easy access to all the features later discussed. Once you're on your main workspace dashboard, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a Help icon. This icon typically resembles a question mark or can look like a life ring. It's important to recognize this icon because it's your gateway to support and additional resources that can really enhance your usage of Monday.com. Click on that Help icon to begin the process of contacting support. After clicking on the Help icon, a drop-down menu will typically appear. Within this menu, several support options will be available, but for immediate assistance, you want to find the Chat with Us option. This feature is highly valuable for quick questions and urgent issues that need immediate attention. Selecting Chat with Us will open up a dialog box where you can directly communicate with a support agent. Now that you've opened the chat window, it's time to type out your message. Be as clear and detailed as possible with your inquiry to get the best help. Whether you're facing a technical issue, have a billing question, or need guidance on how to use certain features, clarity is key. The more detail you provide initially, the faster you'll receive a helpful response. If applicable, include specific examples or error messages you're encountering. This step ensures that the support team has all the necessary information to assist you effectively and efficiently. In summation, contacting Monday.com through their chat support involves only a few simple steps. By logging into your account, navigating to the Help icon, selecting the chat feature, and sending a well-detailed message, you are well on your way to receiving the support you need. This method not only helps resolve your issues quickly, but also enhances your overall experience with Monday.com by making you feel supported and heard. Remember, whenever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to their team. They are there to help ensure you have the best possible experience using their platform. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.